Guadalupe Oak Grove Park is located in San Jose, California, and covers 62.7 acres of land. It is home to a variety of plants and animals. Throughout the park, blue and coast live oaks can be found. Many types of birds can be seen, such as the acorn woodpecker, California scrub jay, and oak titmouse. Ground squirrels and coyotes are also abundant. Almaden Quicksilver County Park is 4,163 acres. Less than 4 miles away from the oak grove as the crow flies, it contains many similar species to the oak grove, but its large acreage allows for more diversity and larger organisms. Mountain lions, deer, and turkeys can all be found roaming the park. I went to these parks myself to notice their differences. Immediately walking into the oak grove, you notice the large amount of birds and squirrels. Woodpeckers are everywhere, and there are ground squirrels in the many holes they've dug just off the path. Birds of prey can be seen soaring overhead. Quicksilver offers a slightly different experience. Yes, there are woodpeckers and squirrels, but there is much more. While hiking Quicksilver, I have spotted deer, turkeys, quail, chipmunks, a tarantula one time, and many California rabbits. These are just what I have observed. However, other large mammals Quicksilver is known to have include wild boar, skunks, raccoons, and bobcats. This is due in part because of the topography of the parks and their size. The California oak grove simply doesn't provide enough space for all the creatures that Quicksilver has. For example, Quicksilver has coyotes and ground squirrels, but because the size of the park is larger, its ecosystem is more balanced. There is a variety of vegetation and deer to help regulate plant populations. There are mountain lions to regulate the coyote population. Furthermore, the oak grove itself comprises deciduous oak savanna and oak woodland. These habitats allow California ground squirrels to thrive, and I observed large quantities of them in the field. This abundance of ground squirrels supports the coyote population in the Oak Grove Park as well. Quicksilver is a mix of oak woodland, chaparral, and grassland. These biomes commonly contain ground squirrels, rabbits, and deer. This aligns with the animals I have observed in Quicksilver as well. Additionally, Quicksilver used to be home to many miners in the late 19th century. These miners brought in many plants to the ecosystem that has contributed to the diversity we see today. There are also water sources like the Alamitos Creek and Almaden Reservoir that boost ecological variety. The biomes and sizes of these two parks contribute to the diversity and the differences in their ecosystems. Oak Grove experiences an overabundance of some species, while it lacks a substantial population of others because it cannot support them. For example, there's lots of squirrels and not many deer. Quicksilver, however, has a great variety of plants and animals that contributes to a healthy population of its species. Both parks are absolutely beautiful, and I would highly recommend visiting if you are able. While situated very close to one another, there are immediate differences that are observed of their ecosystems from the moment you walk into each park. The topography is a large contributor to this fact. It is important for future generations that we preserve them so they may also experience the joy of exploring them too.